In a lively city, a curious boy discovered a secret. Hidden just beyond the concrete jungle was a vibrant rainforest tangled with life. This emerald paradise was alive. Bright blooms, chattering monkeys, and whispering winds filled the air with magic. News of danger rippled through him. Buildings threatened to swallow the wonder of the forest. He knew something had to be done. Friends gathered, thoughts swirling like leaves in a breeze. Ideas bloomed with each shared concern, but they felt something was off. Their voices echoed through the trees. Instead of drawing attention to their cause, they startled the forest dwellers. A new plan was needed. They met a wise old man, seasoned by the forest's embrace. He shared secrets of the rainforest, encouraging them to show its beauty. Laughter rang as they danced with nature. Photos and stories captured the enchantment, a treasure to share with their city. Their hard work paid off. The local news station beamed their message across the city. Enchantment met awareness. The city united. Children and adults rallied. Young hearts ignited for the cause. Together they stood strong for the forest. Developers paused to listen. Arguments transformed into understanding. The power of community was undeniable. Together they saved the day. The forest stood tall and proud, wildlife rejoiced, and the city found a new purpose. Friends united, their hearts full of pride. They learned that small actions sprout big changes. Their adventure left a legacy.
Enchanted Storybook, a YouTube kids story channel.